Hi and welcome to this tutorial on our two-way SMS feature. When sending out your surveys via the two-way SMS feature, what you're essentially doing is having an SMS conversation with your respondents, where you are asking the questions and they respond within the actual SMS. So be precise and clear in how you ask your questions and provide the answer alternatives to make it easy for your respondents to answer within the SMS. To create an SMS sendout like this, use the left-hand menu and pick two-way SMS. Schedule the sendout, so picking a date and time, and clicking continue. We now get to add the respondents, either typing them into this box one by one, copy-pasting, or you're making use of respondent list to attach background data to easier help you with the results and do cross-tabulations and breakdowns. When adding the phone numbers, make sure they're formatted in the correct way, containing country code without the plus or zeros at the start. So I'm gonna add these respondents I pasted into the box. By clicking add, they're now added to the sendout. Clicking continue, I get to order my sendout. Clicking order, we also get asked the question if we want to activate the survey as well. If I click yes, everything will be sent out according to the date and time set. If I click no, however, nothing will be sent out until we activate the survey as well. And to do that, use the left-hand menu, click activation and the activation button, and everything will be sent out according to the dates and time set under the distribution menu. Now this is what it will look like for the respondents when they receive your two-way SMS and answer your questions. So answering the first question, a follow-up text is straight away received with the next question. Answering that question and clicking send. We've now just completed the survey. Easy, right? That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.